Introducing the Mercedes-Benz S63 AMG Long. This is a high-performance model that has been thoroughly tuned by AMG based on Mercedes-Benz's traditional flagship model, the S-Class. Mercedes' safety features include dual and side airbags, window airbags, ADS, brake assist, pre-safe, and ESP to improve driving stability. It is equipped with Parktronic, which uses sensors on the front and rear bumpers to detect the distance to obstacles and warn them with indicators and alarms, and adaptive brake lights, which flash when braking suddenly to alert vehicles behind. The seats are black leather. The spacious back seats, which are unique to the S-Class, are equipped with seat heaters, ventilators and multi-control seat backs to ensure passengers are comfortable. The speakers are Harman Kardon, allowing you to enjoy high-quality sound. Equipped with Night View Assist, which uses infrared rays to detect obstacles when driving at night. The navigation system is a genuine hard disk navigation system. It is equipped with digital terrestrial television viewing, an audio system, and a rear-view camera when put into reverse gear. With Comfort Mode, Sport Mode and Manual Mode, you can choose the driving mode that suits the road surface and driving style. Both front seats are equipped with heaters and ventilators. In addition to the driving dynamic seat that effectively supports the body when turning corners, it also has a massage function to relieve fatigue during long drives. It is also equipped with a sliding roof, providing an open and comfortable ride. The transmission is a 7-speed automatic. The engine is a twin-turbocharged V8 that produces 544 horsepower. Thank you for watching.